We have a feedback about the splicing problem for these B3 fibers. Now we will do a testing. Our solution is first we will splicing this real fiber B3 with these three kind of fibers A1, A2, and B3 and connecting fibers, and we will see the splicing result.
第一步拍这个清零拍到了啊？
没拍到，
没拍到，
没事。
到了。
We have zero this testing cable. This is testing cable, and now we will splicing the testing cable with this real B3 fibers. And the testing cable is B3 fiber 2. Now the function is okay. And now you see the insertion loss after the splicing for this testing cable with this 1,400 meters cable. The link insertion loss is about this one, 0.35 dB. Okay, then we will cut this cable about 1 meter from this reel and testing this splicing point insertion loss. We will add a ferrule to the cable. Okay, the splicing point, the insertion loss 0.05 dB. This is good. It means the cable, this real cable, is good splicing performance with the B3 fibers. Yeah, this is the splicing result, and this is the insertion loss after splicing. Now we will splicing this B3 fiber with the A2 fiber. First, we have zero this cable, the testing cable, A2 fiber cable. Its insertion loss has been 0. Okay. Now we will strap the A2 fiber and splicing with this B3 fibers. During the splicing, the fiber cleaver and the fiber cleaning must be done properly. This will affect the splicing result.
同时看到这两个。
Okay, splicing finished, and you can see the insertion loss. This is A2 fiber. This is B3 fibers. This is the step. Is the forcing point. Forcing okay, and the insertion loss for this reel after splicing is about 0.3 dB. And then we will cut 1 meter from this reel and test the insertion loss of this splicing point. Because this reel is about 1,400 meters long, so this reel has a link loss about 0.3 dB. But we cut 1 meter from this reel and see how is the insertion loss about this forcing point. Okay, now it's about 0.08 dB. Yeah, 9 dB. It's good. Now we will splicing this B3 fiber with the A1 fiber. This is testing cable, we have 0.8. Okay, now we will strap in the two fibers and do the splicing. This is A1 fiber. This is B3 fiber. So it has a step here, but the first thing is okay. Now we can see the insertion loss for this whole cable, the real cable, is about 0.3 dB. Now we will cut 1 meter from this rail and test the insertion loss of this fusing point. You know, for this cable is more than 1,000 meters, so this cable, the whole length, it has insertion loss about 0.3 dB. But now we cut 1 meter from this cable and just test the insertion loss. That is the fusing point insertion loss. Now you can see the point, the fusing point. I mean this fusing point, the insertion loss is 0.04 dB. So it means this B3 fiber fusing with A1 fiber is no problem.